Hey everyone, lesson 3, level 3, continuing our work on the Raman radar, part 3. So let's jump into the Raman radar, see what we have to do this time around. So I'm going to close the blocks, not using the blocks. So, and let's go up here. So we need to do it. Step 2, we're going to create the function filter by country that filters the main lists into filtered lists based on the place chosen by the user. That sounds super complicated, but I think we'll be able to do this. So use the comments in the code to guide you in writing the filtered by country function, following the process of clear all the filtered lists by assigning them to an empty list. So the right here are all my filtered lists. So I'm just going to copy them out so we don't have to type them all in. Those are the only lists, those are the only filtered lists we have. So I'm going to copy those puppies right now. And then when I go down to 2, we'll paste them back in. And then we'll use the for loop inside the function to traverse the countries list. And inside the loop, update the conditional in the if statement. Okay, let's go down here and look at this. Show me where. There it is. Step 2. And I am going to hide that. Don't need that. So this gives me a little bit more room here. So it says set all the filtered lists to an empty list. So I'm going to paste them here, but I do not want the vars there because I don't need those vars. I've already declared them. I'm just making sure they are cleared again. And just in case somewhere else along the line I accidentally put something into those lists. Okay, so this is where I'm going to put in I think we kind of did this if you remember back, the different varieties, the countries, the styles, the stars. So for var I equals 0, I is less than the length of the varieties list, and we increment +1, so we're traversing the list. Inside the loop, update the conditional statement to check if the value assigned to the country is equal to the value at countries.i. So this is the country that's being passed into the function. So if countries at index I is equal to the country that got passed into the function up here. So if that condition is true, append the elements at index I to the respective filtered lists. So for example, append stars I to the filtered stars list. So all of these lists that are up here again, variety, styles, stars. Okay. This is where naming things are really, really nice up here because the naming, okay, so variety, styles, and stars. So what I want to do is if the country at index I is the country that's in the function. If that's the case, what I want to do is I want to append the item. And then I think what that is going to be the list, which is, oops, I didn't mean to do that. Filtered varieties. I'd like to spell it. Oh my goodness gracious. Did I spell it? I did. Filtered varieties. And then what I want to do is I want to do the varieties at index I. And then I want to do the same thing for the star. Let me make sure that it's varieties and not variety. It is varieties. It's varieties, styles, stars. Variety, styles, and stars. So then I'll go append item. Filtered styles. styles at I. Oops, I did not mean to put that extra. Oh my. And then I want to do append item, filtered stars. I think we did this, didn't we? Didn't we do all this stuff? So these I have yellow. Filtered styles hasn't been declared yet. Filtered styles? Oh, if I could spell it correctly, it'd be a lot better. Filtered styles. Oh, fittered. Filtered styles and fittered stars. Filtered stars. So now I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. I wonder, is there anything to test? Should we test anything? Test your code. Run the program and click the place button, then pick a country from the drop down. So let's run, place, Vietnam, line 130. Ramen ratings is in there, so I'm checking, making sure. Let's see. Varieties is there, so it should be there. Let's see. So let's go check the data to make sure that it's variety. Variety, that's what it is right there. So it is, that's correct. Interesting. So let's reset that and let's see. Setting up the variables, varieties. Let's go down here to line 130 and see if there's any spelling errors on there. Varieties is undefined. Hmm. So let's run it. Choose a place. Japan. Boy, it does not like that. I don't know what that little red box is there for. All right, well, I'm going to look at this code and see what's up with it, and then I will report back. All right, kids, I've been tinkering with this, and I just think it's a little buggy today with the data. So I'm just going to keep going on. I am very confident that what we've done here is good.